Okay, so you just entered a store. What do you do? When most people enter a store, they're there to buy items, so that will be the assumption throughout the video. Locus of control. Before you even walk into the store, mentally prepare yourself. Remember that the store probably, especially if it's big, has a big bag of tricks that get you to buy things you didn't intend to. If you want to buy mainly the things you intended to buy beforehand, you should have a locus of control. A locus of control is what a person feels they have influence over, meaning that if you feel that you can resist buying what you didn't intend to buy, then you can. Maintain a good locus of control, only buy what you need and can use in the long run. Don't buy damn sweets, avoid that mindset. Don't argue. When you're done with buying your items, arguing is one of the worst mistakes you could make. Don't be one of those people who argue with the cashier or anyone else in the store. Instead debate, although usually being in the store is not the right place for that. Arguing is simply an inconvenience for everyone and nobody will change their mind afterward or be happy about it, usually. Method of payment. When you're finally buying your items, what payment method should you use? The two main payment methods are cash and card including credit and debit card. There are many ups and downs to these methods. Cash is private, and won't build up debt, credit card can save you money and is convenient, and debit card is convenient and has no unnecessary features. As my own personal opinion, I like debit card least. I believe it is mostly the worst of both others, although less exaggerated. Debit card can build some debt, and isn't as private as cash and usually doesn't save money. That's what to do if you're entering a store. Thanks for watching, and helping grow the channel.